You get everybody staring for days.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sydney, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I deep clean our dining room area, or where we eat. And we do live in an older apartment, like I've mentioned before, so we have carpet where we eat. So it's not very convenient since the boys are messy eaters and there are stains all over the carpet, as you saw. So I'm going to be deep cleaning that area today. I didn't get to the kitchen since it did take a while for me to finish. So I'll be doing that in my next video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. If you did, subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I would love for you guys to join me. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm just cleaning the baseboard and wall area over here. This is the area where the boys eat, and like I mentioned earlier, they are pretty messy eaters, and there are food stains all over. So I'm just making sure those are nice and clean, and just trying to get all of the grime and dust off of this also. So now I'm just going to be vacuuming this area just to make sure all of the crumbs are picked up and everything I can't see. So this is a daily chore that has to be done. Like I mentioned, I can't see all of the crumbs that are left behind. I don't mind though, because I'd rather do this than have a swarm of ants the next day. And yeah, to all of you that have hardwood floors, I'm so jealous.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. Let's live life without regrets. Girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna place it, cause it only does this with you.
So yeah, the thing was pretty full, so I decided to take out all of the dirty water and flush it down the toilet. Yeah, I don't want it anywhere near our sinks. So yeah, this carpet was pretty stained. This was the first time I actually deep cleaned the carpet, And yeah, so I'm going pretty slowly in this area since there's a lot of traffic over here.
We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can never know it. For the thrill of it, for the thrill of it. For the thrill of it, for the
I hope you guys enjoyed this short deep cleaning of our eating area and got some motivation. Yeah, this is gonna be a series, like I mentioned before, of different areas in our home. So I will be posting our deep cleaning of our kitchen later this week. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you don't miss that video, and hit that bell notification and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's run.